Ayan, so dahil may bago na tayong process kay Gcrypto, ito try natin dito sa ating referral. Ganun pa rin naman, you have to choose yung 3 dots and then withdraw, and then WorldCoin. And then after choosing the WorldCoin, yan, yung method natin is still the ToCrypto app. Ayan. Then after ToCrypto app, dalawa yung address ko dyan. Choose mo yung Gcrypto address mo. Yung isa ko kasi is PDAX. Haven't tried it yet kasi 5 days pa siya according dun sa link. Pero I have separate video for that. I'm still waiting mag-activate. Okay, and then try natin na 5 WorldCoin yung i-withdraw. Then continue. Ayan. So after natin siya ma-continue, ayan, so confirm withdrawal, just click confirm withdrawal. Ayan, so processing na siya. Ayan, so withdrawal processing and then done. Ayan, so i-refresh ko lang ito to check kung nabawas na siya. Ayan, so yung updated na remaining natin na balance kay WorldCoin. Ayan, so nabawas na siya. Okay, after that, babalik tayo kay Gcash to the Gcrypto. Ayan. So, check natin si Gcrypto. Ayan, actually, nagkaroon din ako struggle dito. I waited, I think, 1 hour din. So, binalikan ko na lang siya after an hour din, since naka-experience din ako ng traffic kay crypto. Ayan, so after that, na-check ko na si Gcrypto and then, pumasok na dyan yung amount. Sa portfolio value is 343.11. Yan. So, after natin dyan, you have to choose the trade. Yun lang naman yung nabago kay Gcash. I mean, kay Gcrypto. Kasi before wala yan. So, trade and then you have to search WLD for the WorldCoin. Ayan. And then, after choosing the WorldCoin or WLD, ayan, so waiting lang tayo. And then, you have to click the sell. And then, yan, nakita natin may laman na siya. Then, after that, meron tayong makikita limit order, may market order. So, pinili ko yung market order. May percentage sa baba, 25, 50%, 75%, and 100%. So, yan yung percentage na yan is kung ilan yung gusto mong i-withdraw dyan sa WLD na nasa Gcrypto mo as of the moment. So, dahil 5 WorldCoin lang naman to, so, nag 100% na ako since it's try natin. So, may amount naman nakalagay peso amount kung ano yung kiklik mong percentage. Ayan, so, pag okay na, sell now. And after mo maklik si sell now, ayan, so waiting lang. And then, ayan, successful na yung sell order natin. Then, we have to go back to the dashboard. Ayan, check natin si dashboard. Nakita na natin siya ngayon sa peso balance natin. So, pwede na natin itong ilipat sa ating Gcash wallet. So, syempre, click withdraw and then the withdrawable cash which is 342.98 pesos. Yan. So, type in mo lang dyan sa enter amount, 342.98. Ayan. Okay. So, after that, na-type in na natin siya. Okay, so I have to slow down the video kaya medyo waiting ako dito. Okay, yan. So, green check mo then continue. Click continue, then maglo-loading na yan siya. Ayan. So, waiting na lang tayo for the loading. Okay, so magsisend siya sa sa mail mo ng 6-digit code. Kung ano yung email address na nandito sa Gcash mo, dun siya magsisend. So, once submitted na yung code, yan, successful na siya. Then, balik ka sa crypto mo. Ayan, naka-0 na siya. Ayan. Ayan, so, pwede mo i-check na kay Gcash mo yung transaction. And then, nandyan na yung Gcrypto withdraw. Ayan, receive from PDX. Yun lang.